Imagine standing at the edge of a towering cliff. Behind you, an endless forest stretches toward majestic mountains. Ahead, a vast green landscape slowly transforms into the skyline of a modern city. Between these two worlds, nature and civilization, a new architectural vision emerges. This is not a house placed on the land. It is a home designed around the vertical face of the mountain itself. Instead of occupying the plateau, the architecture embraces the cliff, turning the rock into its true foundation. Every volume is suspended, independent, surrounded by light, and connected by a single vertical spine. This project explores a different way of living, where architecture becomes part of the landscape rather than simply resting upon it. Welcome to a home suspended between earth and sky. The journey begins far below. At the base of the cliff, an elegant helipad offers the fastest connection between the vibrant city and this peaceful retreat. Crossing a slender bridge, the entrance immediately introduces the heart of the entire project, a narrow vertical circulation tower. On one side, floor-to-ceiling glass frames an endless view toward the distant skyline. On the other, the raw stone of the mountain rises beside you, creating the sensation of walking between nature and architecture at the same time. Every step upward becomes part of the experience. The changing light, the shifting perspectives, and the dramatic landscape transform a simple staircase into an architectural journey. The first destination reveals one of the home's most spectacular features, a suspended swimming pool. Rather than hiding it, the design celebrates its impossible position. Water appears to float above the rocky landscape, while the infinity edge directs your gaze across the endless forest and toward the distant city. It is a place designed for silence, reflection, and breathtaking views. Continuing upward, the next volume completely changes the architectural rhythm. Unlike the other spaces, this one projects boldly toward the horizon. Here, the dining room becomes a panoramic observatory. Glass surrounds a space on every side, allowing daylight to fill the interior from sunrise until sunset. Every meal becomes an experience shared with the landscape. Connected to the dining area, a compact yet fully equipped kitchen demonstrates that efficiency and elegance can exist together without sacrificing simplicity. Nearby, the bathrooms introduce an unexpected layer of warmth. Rich orange tones, natural wood, and carefully crafted textures contrast beautifully with the clean geometry of the architecture. The journey continues toward the private sleeping area. A transparent corridor leads quietly through the suspended volume. 3 bedrooms are carefully arranged to maximize privacy while maintaining a continuous relationship with nature. 2 bedrooms welcome younger family members. The master suite occupies the most privileged position. Every room is surrounded by generous glazing. From the comfort of each bed, the landscape becomes a living painting. The forest stretches below. The cliff reminds you of the building's extraordinary location. Beyond, the city lights shimmer on the horizon. Natural daylight constantly transforms these interiors. Morning light feels soft and peaceful. Afternoon sun creates dramatic shadows across the stone. Even cloudy weather introduces an entirely different atmosphere. The architecture never feels static. It changes with every passing hour. One final ascent brings us to the highest living space, the living room, a place designed for gathering, conversation, and relaxation. Comfortable sofas face the panoramic glazing. 2 contemporary lounge chairs create a quiet corner for reading or reflection. Nearby, a billiard table transforms leisure into an unforgettable experience. Very few homes allow a game of pool, while overlooking an endless landscape stretching from dense forest to a modern skyline. Above the suspended volumes, green roofs complete the architectural composition, accessible directly from the staircase. These elevated gardens extend the living experience outdoors. Glass balustrades preserve uninterrupted views, while allowing nature to remain the true protagonist. A suspended walkway gently reconnects the architecture with the grassy plateau above the cliff, where the forest begins once again. The journey ends exactly where nature first welcomed us. Looking at the project from the outside, its architectural concept becomes even more fascinating. Rather than designing one continuous building, every function has been separated into independent volumes. Each block appears to float freely in space. Each enjoys natural light from every direction. Green roofs improve thermal comfort while restoring vegetation above the architecture. The limited footprint preserves the surrounding terrain, allowing the landscape to remain largely untouched. As the afternoon slowly fades, the atmosphere begins to change. The warm colors of sunset wash across the cliff. Long shadows stretch over the forest. The city starts to sparkle in the distance. Then, night arrives, and the house reveals an entirely different personality. The central staircase becomes a luminous vertical beacon. Every suspended volume begins glowing softly from within. Warm interior lighting contrasts beautifully with the cool tones of the surrounding rock. Reflections shimmer across the shallow water below. From the city, the house resembles a lantern suspended on the mountainside. Elegant, quiet, almost surreal. It never dominates the landscape. Instead, it quietly belongs to it. Winter creates yet another extraordinary transformation. Fresh snow gently covers the green roofs. The surrounding rocks become sculptural forms carved in white. The forest falls silent beneath its winter blanket. Inside, warm light escapes through the transparent facades, creating a welcoming contrast against the frozen landscape. It does not seek attention through extravagance alone. Its originality comes from a simple but powerful idea: to rethink how architecture can inhabit difficult places, to transform a vertical cliff into an opportunity, to separate functions into independent living spaces connected by movement rather than corridors, to allow nature to remain visible from every direction, to create moments instead of simply creating rooms. Great architecture is rarely about excess. It is about relationships. The relationship between people and landscape, between light and materials, between movement and emotion. This home invites us to experience architecture as a journey rather than a destination. Every staircase becomes anticipation. Every landing offers discovery. Every room frames a different story. Suspended between forest, rock, and city, this visionary home reminds us that architecture can do far more than provide shelter. It can inspire, it can surprise, it can change the way we see the world around us. And perhaps, that is the most beautiful view of all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and consider subscribing to the channel for more architectural projects and 3D visualizations. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.